Welcome back guys to our channel MNC Community, and guys, today I will be teaching you a nice trick so that you can show to your spectators, and it's a beginner card trick and no setup including in this. So first I will shuffle the deck and I will give the deck to my spectator so that he can shuffle it as much as he like. Now you can pick up any card from the deck. So you can pick up any card from the deck. This one, okay, alright, show it to the spectator. Okay. Now I'll be placing this card at the top, asking my dad to cut the deck half in my other hand, and I'll be placing this over here. Now little bit swing cuts, and now I'll be taking out my two friends, which are the Jack of Hearts and the Jack of Diamonds. Alright, just I'll be placing the card out. Where are they? Okay, I'm not finding them. Let me do one more try. One is here, and where is the second one hiding? Here, right over these two. There are my two friends. Now I will just tell me. So here are my two friends. One friend is the Jack of Diamonds and another one is the Jack of Hearts. Now I'll be telling my friend that you are watching my YouTube channel and help them to find your spectator's card. So I'll do just a little bit, throw the deck in my next hand and see what happens. They have taken the one card and let's see this card. It's the spectator's card. So thank you my friends, these two. Now I'll be teaching you the tutorial. So guys, let me show you the tutorial of this trick. It's a nice trick. You can show it to your spectators and get the best reaction of this trick. So first I'll ask my spectator to shuffle the deck as much as he want. Now what I'll be doing, I'll be allowing my spectator to choose a card, but this time I'll be trying little different. Alright, you can select a card. For instance, this one. So this is the card it's the King of Hearts. So while the spectator is looking at this card, you need to pick at this card, which is the Two of Spades. So our first key point of this trick was to peek at the bottom card. Now ask your spectator to place this card at the top of the deck. Give it the cut. Complete it. So what you have done, your key card goes at the top of the spectator's selection. Let me show you. Your key card was the Two of Spades. Where is the Two of Spades? Here. And next card is the spectator's selection. Now you will be asking your spectator that I will take out my two friends. While taking out the two friends, what you need to do, you need to pick the spectator's card which is next to your key card. So let's select. Your key card was the Three of Spades, and next card beside it was your spectator selection. So now what you have to do while taking out your two friends, your two friends may be a face card, a number card, or a aces. It's completely your choice. And when the spectator's card is a face card, you should prefer to take out the number card or the aces. For instance, I am taking out the jokers. One joker here. Let's find another joker here. Sorry, this one. And while you are doing this, what you need to do, you need to cut the deck and place this your spectator selection at the bottom of the deck. So let me find out. Here, just while you are removing the card, just simply do this. The spectator will have no idea. They will think that you are taking out your two friends. Place the card right over here, half. Take this card, place at the bottom just like this. You have to not show to the spectator that their card is at the bottom. Just take these two cards, place one card at the top and second just bulging out like this, and you need to hold the deck in this grip. Take these two fingers extended and your thumb at the top, at the between, and these two fingers will be clipping the deck just like this. What you need to do, apply pressure and by clipping this card, and what will happen, this will happen that all cards will fall except the bottom card because you are holding with these two fingers. That's why. Alright, so what you need to do, do like this and throw this card just like this, and one card will be at the center, this card. So guys, this was the trick. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe the channel, share this video. Goodbye.